Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset on OUKITEL WP20 through settings. So you have to start with opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on System. Now scroll down and click on Reset Options, and now select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and then click on Erase All Data. Now you have to confirm your pattern and click Erase All Data again. And now your phone is back to its default settings and you have to do your phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.